Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and today I wanted to share with you Collect Yo Junk. This is coming from the channel Pink Oddbird, and she is going to have a challenge on her channel for March that is collect junk for making a junk journal in the month of March. And if you want all the details, I will leave the link to her channel in the description below. But right now I wanted to share with you, I think this is kind of what she's talking about. I'm hoping that I am on the right track because this is all of my junk. I went around and I found junk that I had that I really, and I've asked my kids, to bring in some of their junk. And I tried to find interesting items. This is a fabric softener sheet that is already been used, but I thought that the texture was pretty neat, so I put that in. This is a packaging material from a Moleskine book. This come from a paper bag from Hallmark that I received some time ago. And this is from stickers. This is just an envelope from mail. This is some packaging paper that came through the mail. Really big, so I'm happy about that. And this is some of my daughter's artwork that she is for some reason embarrassed that she did this, so she was like, take it. And I found some calendar papers from 2017 that we're not going to use. My daughter, she didn't use all of her pages from her planner, and that was just a waste of paper that she had. And then this is from my daughter's schoolwork. This one is another one. I don't quite know what this is, but my daughter's schoolwork. This is paper from another calendar that we had and did not use any of that paper. Then I found the mother lode because I forgot I had this book from when I had my fabric store. So they send you out little catalogs, and this is one of those books from the catalog. So I thought that would be very interesting because I don't know what else I would do with this book. I no longer have a fabric store, and this is another book. And from that, where they sent me catalogs to go through. And this is some more of my daughter's artwork that she just, I think she looks like she was trying to do a dinosaur on the back or something. And she said, please take it. Now this is, let me get all of this. This come from my husband because he's a truck driver, and he no longer works for this company, so he told me to use this paperwork. I can have that. This is some packaging material that I've had for quite some time. It says 2013, so I've had it quite a while, and it is that silhouette book from my first silhouette. Then this is the other part of that Hallmark book because I used the front of it. And then this is the other part. I like the design on it, so this is what I probably will use for the journal. This is some packaging material from a paper collection that I used in my journal that I had. And this is a cereal box, so I could probably use this for the cover. That's what I was thinking. So this is a collection of my junk that I am going to use in my journal. And I hope that you all participate and enjoy this process. I know that I'm awaiting March to come around so that I can see what everyone comes up with, and I am looking forward to seeing your videos of the junk that you collect. Till next time, bye-bye.